Every time we manufacture a new batch of the Raise, we tweak the design a bit. For instance, we made the palm pads softer in the second version. On the third run, we enlarged the rubber feet so the keyboard wouldn't slide. We redesigned the travel case and the cables and added the enhancement kit. So what did we do for the fourth batch? Hi Digmates, it's Dominique, and today we'll take a closer look at all the improvements we've made to the latest Dygma Raise version, the Raise 1.4. We've poured quite some thought into this update. The Raise was feeling a bit jealous with all the attention the Defy had received lately, and we wanted it to know we still cared. Don't worry, baby. Nobody forgets their first love. Let's start with the most noticeable change, the new customizing option. You might have come across some limited edition colors for the Dygma Raise in the past year. Those were made in extremely limited runs here in Spain. But since you guys gave them such a warm welcome, we've decided to make a larger batch of the most popular ones and offer them as an option. The colors we've chosen are Atlantis Blue, Daredevil Red, Egyptian Gold, and Royal Purple. And you can combine them with black and white keycaps and palm pads. And talking about combining keycaps, you can now mix and match a black base with white keycaps and palm pads, or a silver base with black keycaps and palm pads. The special colors will cost $70 extra, but you can combine the black and silver with your keycaps of choice at no extra cost. My favorite one is the Egyptian Gold. But let me know which one you like the most in the comments below. Earlier this year, we also launched our new Dash keycaps and new white ABS keycaps for non-English languages, including Espanol, Francais, Deutsch, and Nordic. How do you say Nordic in Nordic? For this batch, we've also launched these new ABS keycaps in black for Spanish, German, and Nordic. Je suis désolé, mes amis. You didn't buy enough keyboards, and we still have a lot of stock of the French keycaps from the last batch. Thanks to our signature manufacturing and painting process, these new ABS keycaps have an improved textured finish that is less prone to shine. On top of that, we've redesigned the legend. The most noticeable difference is that they are now aligned to the left. That way, the stem of the switch is not in the way, which improves the RGB backlight. You'll also be glad to hear, or not to hear, about the new sound dampening solution. Since we launched the first Raise, many users have been modding it to make it sound thockier. That involved opening the keyboard, taking precise measures, cutting foam, which is very time-consuming and can be nerve-wracking. For example, if the foam was cut too thick, the case wouldn't close, and you'd have to start all over again. So we thought we'd save you the trouble, and from now on, the Dygma Raise comes with an EVA foam between the PCB and the top plate. Thanks to this solution, the keyboard will produce a deeper sound and reduce spring ping. Want to hear the difference? Another change that will improve the sound is the new factory-lubed stabilizers. You'll now notice less rattle on larger keycaps like Enter and Backspace. The last thing we wanted to update was the unboxing experience. You already rated it quite high in our surveys, but you know, very good is not good enough for us. It has to be perfect! Perfect! That's why we've designed a new gray travel case for the silver Dygma Raise. We've also improved the interior for both travel cases. It's now made of matching velvet, so your keyboard travels the world in unmatched comfort. Oh, it's so soft! It's like a baby's bottom. To add to the unboxing experience, we've also changed how the palm pads are kept in place during transport. In previous batches, we used a small double-sided sticker, but sometimes it left a tiny speck on the metallic palm rest, and we couldn't allow that. Plus, some of you thought that that was the actual way to place the palm pads on the keyboard, which is not, so your palm pads were moving all around. Now, instead of the sticker, we're using these paper holders. They leave no mark on the palm rest and should be easier to spot. Remember, this is just for shipping. You still need to peel them off to to reveal the self-adhesive silicone before placing them on your keyboard. If you want to know more about how to install and clean the palm pads of the Dygma Raise, check out this other video. Finally, we've redesigned the manual and we've made small changes to the enhancement kit. It has a new box that opens nicely, and now the cleaning cloth comes in a nifty compartment. We hope you like all of these improvements, but if you have some ideas, please let us know in the comments below. All these awesome changes have been possible thanks to you, our community, our Dygmates. So keep up with the feedback. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, can I have like a big roll of this velvet thing so I can wrap myself in it like a big burrito? Okay, thanks guys. Bye.
Hey, where's the golden keyboard?